Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm making a little video of how to install the turbo bumper and the turbo flares. And before you all asking me from where is your kit, I bought it at someone's home, so he don't know from where it is. The only thing that I can say is from polyester. I want to say it now, don't rely too much on my measurements because you can have another kit. For example, this line was from somebody else's front bumper, this line also, and I'm a little lower. But for me, these measurements are the best option for my kit. And before I'm starting my video, I have started with the fender flare, that this one is equal. In the beginning I was starting here with 1 centimeter, but I will go a little lower. You will see it in the video. And in the front bumper I also have started at 8.5, and this will change to 9. Before you measure everything and that you're putting a line and you think it's the same like the other side. For example, here you see my finger, the thickness. I'm gonna show you the other side. You see it's much higher, so I'm gonna change the line. I'm gonna take a little bit more off so it's perfect equal everywhere. And here I can show you much better. It's almost the same thickness like my meter, so you see nowhere something coming out. And from the middle it starts okay, but the more to the right, the more polyester there is on top. So I'm gonna grind it away so that it's equal with the other side. It's off, it's the same like the other side. I have 4 holes in it to screw it on the front. I got some little screws here. Make that you have the middle point of your front bumper, and the same for here, so you can put it perfect in the middle. Make that your turbo flare, this side is equal with this one. Then you have to bend it. Make that it. I just see my line here, so it have to be this way. And I see a lot of kits that are installed in the wrong way. They do it like this, and they think they have to cut off from this one, but this is why you have the little thing here. You have to put it between it and bend it this way, and now it lines up perfect, and here the line is also perfect. And also make that your bumper, before you are doing the finishing touch of taking off of the underside, make that your bumper is straight. Original, there are 3 brackets in the bumper, so it's your own decision if you want to let it like this or if you want to make a bracket that it's perfect straight, so you don't have problems afterwards. Make that it has straight with your car. So I did it also this way. I have put something between it that it stays in position, also in the middle, like example this block. In the future it's possible that I make 3 brackets like an original turbo. This is why you have the holes here. And I'm almost 100% sure that I'm gonna use a bracket here, because check the line here. It goes down and this one goes up. So if I'm pushing it, don't know if you can see it, this one goes up and this one goes perfect like it should. So this is much better. And here in front, the key is that this and this one almost line up, and I'm gonna take step by step a little bit off of this one. So this is already better with taking this one a little bit more off. So if you're putting it on it and you see that you have to push too much, you have to take it a little bit more off. This is how I did it. If I now, for example, want to put the bumper here on this line, on the measurements of someone else, my bumper will be too high. So for example, if I want to go higher, if I'm here, you see I will be equal with my bonnet, so this is a problem. So you have to do it with your own kit. Install it, try your fenders on it, so you are sure that they fit great on each other. And I think this is the best way to to check everything. Now guys, it's like this. Only I'm gonna try to take my bumper a little lower. Now I have 8.5 and I will go to 9 from here to there. And I think this one will be much closer against it. I just will not go lower than 9 because here you have the holes of the bracket of the original bumper. So if I just can stay above it, it will be okay. So I'm gonna try it. My bumper is lower. I'm now on 9, a little lower. Here you see my other line where my bumper was first, and it looks okay for me. Maybe take a little bit more off under it. The line here is almost equal, but if I'm gonna take it off here, it will go deeper, and normally it will be almost the same. So for me it looks okay. So I have 12 there, 9 here, and again it are my measurements. Maybe you can have another kit or you have other measurements, but for me this works. So I'm gonna line up my bumper, put some extra screws in it, put some screws in my fenders, and do the final touch of this corner. And next plan will be, of course, taking off my fenders and cut everything out. What you have to do is taking step by step, or what I do, this one off so it comes perfect to the bumper. And also now it's pushing too much, so the bumper is too much down here. I want to have a straight line. And also if I'm here, you see on the right side of my fender there's a little bit more. So this is my other side. You see with the fender it's much straighter. I already have taken off on this one, so I'm gonna take off till I'm almost at my line of 12, because now I have to push too much. This is from above. If I'm pushing, you see the left and the right side going out, so I'm pushing the bumper downwards, and now he's almost straight. So this is how I do it. So, and this is the result after all the finishing touch from the side and the other side. For the fender in the back, these are the easiest ones. The only thing you have to do is make that this side is equal with this one and push the bottom of this side and this side against it, and you have the perfect height. Also you have the middle if you take it from this side, because if you look at the line it's running away. So take it, right side equal, push it against it on the bottom, also on the other side, and you have the perfect height. This is how you have to do the measurements of everything, on how to fit it or put it in the right place. So guys, this is the video for today. Give me a thumbs up if the video was useful. Until next, ciao!